Inside, but today we're going to be talking about the dog and how to draw it. After we learn this lesson, we would know what's a dog, what body parts do we have, and how to draw it. Let's go. First, a lead or a leash. I'll say a leash, okay? We can put a leash on a neck of a dog, and we use them to control the dog. While we kind of like having a walk with a dog, if we have these leashes, they will help us to protect the dog from running away to barks and maybe to bite people too. Yeah, there's a really common idioms about dogs and cats, like to be raining cats and dogs. It doesn't mean here that there's a lot of cats and dogs falling down from the sky, but it means that the rain was really hard. Okay? Next, a dog can wag its tail. It will usually wag its tail as a sense of happiness when maybe you are owner of a dog. Now when you come home from a long school time, a dog will probably run out and wag its tail to welcome you home. Next, did you know that dogs can do tricks? Dogs can learn tricks really good because they're pretty smart kind of animals. Yeah. Next, a stitch is a really common thing for it to fetch. There's also different things that they use to fetch. Yeah. Next, to howl or to bark. Did you know that a dog was a relative of a wolf? Yeah, that's it. So it will know how to howl. Next, it will have paw. Paw is a part that has nearly to every cat and any dogs. A paw. They don't have hands like ours, but they have paws. Okay? Now, if we have a baby dog, we probably say a puppy. We wouldn't say a baby dog, but usually we would just say a puppy. Okay, let's practice how to draw it. It's easy to draw a dog for some reasons, but yeah, let's just practice this. Now here I have this. Let's see. Okay, so first, let's try to draw from this way because I think that was an easy way. Oh, this animal doesn't look like a dog here. Uh, oh, I think this looks like a giraffe for some more. Let me just draw a giraffe. Okay? Here I have is a giraffe. Yeah, but it doesn't relate to anything in this lesson, so let's try to draw one more. Like this line looks cute. Maybe this line. Oh my gosh, this looks really like a cat. Why can't I just finish this? Okay. Ooh, it looks really like a dog. Can you think of it as a dog? I don't think so. Let's see. So now, if you have a dog, it would be probably real fun for you to learn this. So now, just for asking, do you have a dog? And did you train it to do any tricks? And can you name some of those tricks? There's lots of tricks that dogs can do, like to listen to people, like to sit, to lay, to wave, to shake hand, to jump through a fire wheel, to to jump inside somebody's pants. There's a lot of tricks that dogs can do. Sometimes there's also some police dogs. Their dogs are really being well trained and they hunt people and police officers to help get some hints about something. Yeah, usually like that. There's a lot of things that a dog can fetch. Maybe not just a stick. Maybe if you throw a ball, a dog would also know how to fetch it. There's a really common thing about a dog that you guys would probably know. I think so. Yeah, it's that the dog knows how to. What can I say here? The dog knows how to do one special thing. The dog knows how to watch the house. Yes, sometimes if there's any robbers, they would bark up a big sound. I don't know if it's real or not. Yeah, I just heard of it, and then I don't know what about it because I'm not an owner of a dog. Yeah, so I don't mind that. So now, if you have a dog at your home, it'll be a great thing to have an animal to play with. Dog is really loyal to its owner. I usually heard of that. And near my neighborhood, there's a dog that really looks cute. I really love to play with it. It looks really cute that I always never want to unremember it. So that's just all for today. See you next time.